Hello, the station for sets. Consider the outcome of a single roll of a 20-sided dice. So if I'm rolling a 20-sided dice, my universal set's going to be 1 through 20. So you have set A, you have set B, and you have set C. So in set A, write it in set builder notation. This is listed off in list notation. So set builder notation is then where I have brackets. Oh, brackets right there, and then x such that x is a number less than or equal to 5. B is set builder notation. I need to make sure I use brackets. B equal y such that y is an even number less than or equal to 20. So then cardinality of set B, is it greater than or equal to the cardinality of set C? Cardinality means how many elements are in the set. So there I have 10. In set C I have 5. So 10 is bigger than 5, so it's greater than. Here's my reasoning. Make sure we are explaining. Set B has a cardinality of 10, while set C has a cardinality of 4. 10 is greater than 4, so set B is greater than C. So if A union B, all of those union, right? I have all of A and all of B, so that's all of them combined. And then I have A intersection C, so that means what they only have in common, which was a 5. And then I had B complement, so that's everything outside of B. If B was all the evens, it's going to be all the odds from 1 to 20. So on the flip side, you have another problem very similar. Write a set A in set builder notation. So set A is in list notation, so I decided it is our shoes that females own. B, here's this. Y is a set that starts at 2 and increases by 3, stopping at what? 17. So I go 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. What's the cardinality of set A? Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cardinality of set B is 6 because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I flip it over to the back side and I do problems. A intersection C. A intersection C. What do they have that's the same? So they both got a 5, they both got a 2, they both got an 8, and they both have a 9. So we have all of those would be in the center. A union B. So all of A listing all of B in order. B complement everything outside of B. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 you can't have, 5 you can't have, 6 you can have, 7 you can't have, 8 you can have, 9, 10 you can't have. That would be the complement. And then C minus A. So everything in C, take away whatever's common with what? A. So what do I only have left? The value of 3.